In terms of how widespread the adverse event reporting has been, talk us through what the findings were.
Yeah, so these findings are not really at all surprising. We've known about these side effects really since the vaccines began rolling out at the end of 2020, early 2021. We've seen this myocarditis, inflammation of the heart muscle, pericarditis, inflammation of the sac around the heart, as well as this unusual blood clot that forms in the brain from the virus vector vaccine. So none of these findings are new. But they are actually fairly reassuring because they didn't find anything else that was at all alarming, Heidi.
And it did look at a few different vaccine types as well. Was there any difference across them?
There was indeed. Yes, they did see this increased risk for the brain blood clot in relation to the AstraZeneca virus vector vaccine. And also we did see the increased risk of myocarditis and pericarditis with the mRNA vaccines. They are the ones made by Pfizer, BioNTech, and Moderna. There were some other interesting findings as well. Guillain-Barré syndrome was shown to be an event of concern linked to mostly to the Oxford AstraZeneca virus vector vaccine. Otherwise, everything else was pretty much as we had already expected. Thanks.
So, and we've talked about some of those pre-established conditions of interest. Did they find anything that was pertinent across that subsection of the study?
Beyond those 13 events that they were looking for, they didn't see, they weren't looking specifically for other aspects of vaccine injury that has been noted in the past. Postural orthostatic tachycardia syndrome, that's this increased heart rate that has been noted in relation to vaccines, though researchers have also seen it in a higher frequency associated with SARS-CoV-2 infection. So while the vaccines were known to be associated with this problem, they are actually occurring more frequently from an infection.